If you have a Windows 11 machine, there is a lot of settings that are not needed and should be tweaked. In this video, I will show you how to turn off the most important ones that have impact in your privacy and your experience with this operation system. Starting off, because we are not Mac users, let's move the taskbar to the left corner where it should be from the beginning. To do that, go to the personalization. Next, go to the taskbar. Now go to the taskbar behaviors and change alignment from center to left. Next, under System and then Notifications, we want to turn off these two options to get rid of annoying pop-ups messages from Microsoft about improvements and suggestions. To change default application, go to Apps and then Default Apps. Now we can pick up application that we want to change. In this example, we could change Microsoft Edge to another browser in case if we don't like the default one. Now, in Privacy and Security, go to Speech and turn off Speech Recognition. Our next step is to find Diagnostic and Feedback and turn off every option there. Remember, the less data you send from your device, the better. In App Permissions, turn off Location, Camera, and Microphone for any application that doesn't need it. For example, Microsoft Photos and Store doesn't need your location or access to your camera in order to work properly. Now, go to the General Settings and turn off any suggestions to keep your taskbar clean from annoying pop-ups and ads that you don't want to see. And as a bonus, if you want to use your local account instead of the Microsoft one, you can do it simply by going to your accounts and then clicking on your info. As you can see, there is an option there under Account Settings to sign in with a different account. That's it for today. Hope you enjoy it. Please don't forget to subscribe, and I see you in the next one.